Hi, good morning friends. Today I'm sharing a recipe which is my favorite. I'm sharing the recipe of Bhindi Masala. Bhindi is the Hindi word. Okra is also another word which is it's called by, and then ladyfinger is also Bhindi or Okra, is the same thing, same names for Bhindi. And today I'm sharing this recipe. I have around half pound to 1 pound of bhindi. I'm using 1 large onion and 2 medium tomatoes. I'll chop them. Here in the plate I have half teaspoon of fennel seeds, which is actually this is cumin seeds, which is white Zeera, Sufaz Zeera, whole. And then 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, which is haldi, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of dhania powder, which is coriander powder, and half teaspoon of salt. And in the wok I have half cup of oil, and I'll just turn on the flame. I'll add the white cumin, whole cumin, which is half teaspoon in the oil, and then add the chopped onions and cook them till they are milky color or light pink. I want to show you guys how I'm cutting this onion. I just did it half and then cutting it, slicing it lengthwise. One step which I want to share before putting the sliced onion in the oil that my mom always used to, and still when making bhindi masala, she cut the bhindis and fry it on high flame in 1/4 or half cup oil. I'm using half cup oil here. And then before frying this or cooking this sliced onion, I will fry the I will slice the cut bhindi and take it out, and then add the sliced onion. I'll show you what I'm doing. I just wanted to show you guys how I'm cutting this onion, and it will be a lengthwise slicing of this. As soon as you'll see that the cumin seeds are starting to cook, I should have added the onions, sliced onions in it, but I forgot the first step which prevents the stickiness, and that is to fry the cut bhindi, the cut okra. So here is how my cut okra looks and how much it is. Okay, and I'm gonna put this nicely and fry it. I'll be frying it for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll take it out in a white glass bowl or any glass bowl, and then in the same oil I'll add the onion. I'll show you step by step, but frying the bhindi prevents the stickiness basically, so it's a nice tip to start making the bhindi masala, and nice tip for the recipe which I've been following. As I have taken my bhindi out in this glass bowl, I will add a little bit more oil to this wok because some of the oil has been absorbed. I'll add a little bit more oil and then add my lengthwise sliced onion and cook it till it turns transparent or light pink. Let's add this lengthwise cut onion and then cook it till it's light pink or transparent. While I'm cooking the onion, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. It's exactly 1 teaspoon. Now, as you can see that the sliced onion is turning transparent and light pink. I have added 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste to it while I was frying it, and as it has reached this color, I'm gonna add 2 medium chopped tomatoes to it. And I'm gonna add all of this dry spices: salt, coriander powder, red chili powder, and turmeric powder. I'll add 2 tablespoons of water so the dry spices, they don't get burned. I will let it cook and cook till the tomatoes are a little tender, and then I'll add the fried bhindi or the okra to this wok. I added the fried okra to the masala and just giving it a good stir. Wow, how nice and colorful and simple this recipe looks. And I'm gonna add some coriander leaves, which is hara dhania. I usually have it in my freezer, so I'm gonna add that, and just 1 green chili. Add some hara dhania. If you have fresh, you can add the fresh one. I usually have it in the freezer, and then I'll add 1 green chili to it. Cut into half, split into half, give it a stir. And then I'm gonna cover it, and after covering, I'll leave it on simmer for 5 good minutes and then dish it out. It will be ready, and I'll show you the end result. So we can see that the timer is off, 5 minutes are over. Let's take a peek. Wow. At this stage, you all can see that there is no stickiness, and look at how nicely the masala is ready. No stickiness because we took care of it by frying the cut okra or bhindi in the oil and taking it out. So here it is. It's very nicely ready. Two things are optional. Some people like it with a pinch or less than half teaspoon of garam masala. I really don't use that, but that's the optional thing. And adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and I don't like it either. So these are the two things which you can add accordingly. Similarly, you can add a little bit more salt, which is salt to taste, and the same goes with the red chili powder. So I really like everything as it is. I'm gonna dish it out and show you how it looks. Okay, it's ready to be served. I have dished it out. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I wish you guys that when you make it, it turns out to be a great tasty dish. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.